Hi friends, I am Ankit Parak. Welcome you to this lecture. In today's lecture, let us solve the MCQs. Okay, the first question. The vector projection of a vector 3i cap 4k cap on y-axis. The vector can be written as like this. Say this is A is your vector, 3i cap, 0j cap, and 4k cap. Therefore, projection on y-axis. Obviously, that is 0. Projection on y-axis, that is 0. Okay, simple. Chalo, next question. What is then? This was the first question. Next question. Position of a particle in rectangular coordination system is 3, 2, 5. This can be written as 3i cap. Okay, 3i cap, 2j cap, and 5k cap. It is very easy. B is your answer. In previous one, B is your answer. Now next, third. If a particle moves from point P to Q, its displacement vector will be. See, you must understand this. Displacement is equals to final position minus initial position. Okay. Final position minus initial position. This is minus. Fine. Now, final position is vector Q. Initial is P. So displacement is, you can say, PQ, which is vector Q minus vector P, 3, 4, 5 minus 2, 3, 5. Your answer is 1, 1, 0, which can be written as 1i cap plus 1j cap plus 0k cap. That can be written as I cap plus j cap. So C is your answer. Answer is C. Okay. You must understand this also. You can write like this: x-axis, y-axis. Okay, this is position vector for P. This is position vector for Q, and this is z-axis. It's towards you, 3 dimension. Now the displacement vector is this. Okay, vector PQ. Displacement vector. Understood? Okay, that is I cap plus j cap. Now, fourth question. A force of 5 Newton acts on a particle along a direction making an angle of 60° with vertical. Its vertical component B. It's a very easy question. This is vertical direction, or you can call it y-axis. Okay. The vector is making an angle of 60° with it. This is your vector, and here theta is 60°. Okay, so now projection of this vector on y-axis, this is adjacent component. Okay, so now what you need to find, that vertical component. This is vertical component, okay, and this is the horizontal component. This dotted line is for horizontal component, but we don't need for the horizontal component. So your answer close to the theta, this vector is y. So vertical component will be 5 cos theta as it is adjacent to theta. Cos theta is what? Adjacent upon hypotenuse. This is adjacent. This is hypotenuse. This is opposite side. So cos theta is adjacent upon hypotenuse. You make subject of equation to A. So A upon 5, that is cos theta. So A is equals to 5 cos theta, and your answer of vertical component, I should write AV, vertical component. 5 into cos 60, 1 by 2, which is 2.5 Newton. Okay, so D is your answer. Easy question. It was fourth. Okay, now next question. If A is given, B is given, then vector having the same magnitude as B parallel to A is. See, interesting question. First of all, you can write like this. Vector A is given. What is that? 3I cap, 4J cap. Answer number 5. Okay, this is answer number 5. Now B is also given. Magnitude of A, sorry, first magnitude of A. Magnitude of A is under root 3 square plus 4 square. So, which is 5. Magnitude of A is 5. Now B. What is B? Vector B is 7I cap, 24J cap. Magnitude of B is 7 square plus 24 square. 7 square is 49. 24 square is 576. Total is 625. Okay, your answer is 25. Magnitude of B is 25. Magnitude of A is 5. You need to find a vector which is parallel to A. So it means whose direction is same as A but magnitude of B. So what is ratio of B upon A? Here B upon A, you can say B upon A is 25 upon 5, which is 5. You can call it N. Therefore A dash is NA. If you remember, you multiply any number to the vector, the magnitude will be n times, but the direction won't be changed. So 5 into 7I cap, oh sorry, A. What is A? 3I cap, 4J cap. Your answer is 15I cap, 20J cap. Which one is your answer? D. Delhi. Delhi is your answer. For this, 15I cap, 20J cap is your answer. Okay. So this was your question, answer number 5. Just note it down. Next question, sixth. Vector A makes angle equal angle with x comma y comma z. Value of its components will be. See, if you remember, vector A is making angle with x-axis, you can call it cos alpha, for y-axis cos beta, and for z-axis cos gamma. This cos alpha, cos beta, and cos gamma are called cosines with x-axis, y-axis, and z-axis respectively. Here you can say ax upon a AY upon A and AZ upon A. Your vector A is AX, comma AY, comma AZ. Alpha, beta, and gamma are same. Therefore, you can write this AX is equals to A cos alpha, AY is also A cos alpha, and AZ is also A cos alpha. Why so? Because alpha is equals to beta is equals to gamma. You make subject of equation to AX, it will become A cos alpha, A cos beta, this will become A cos gamma. Okay, A cos gamma. But what I have written, AX is equals to A cos alpha, AY is equals to A cos alpha, AZ is equals to A cos alpha, because alpha is equals to beta is equals to gamma. Alpha, beta, and gamma are same. Now, for this, you can say vector A is equals to this. All three are same. Say AX is equals to AY is equals to AZ is equals to A comma A comma A. તો હવે every time હું આવું નહીં કહું. Please remember this. Whenever all three angles made up with axis alpha, beta, and gamma are same, you can call AX equal to AY equal to AZ equal to A. What is magnitude of this? Vector A is A square plus A square plus A square. Therefore, root 3 A square is equals to A. You need to find this A. Root 3 into A is A. Your answer of A is A upon root 3. Okay, this answer is A upon root 3. Okay, fine. This is your answer, A upon root 3. What is your answer? A upon root 3? A. Okay, A is your answer, A upon root 3. Funny question. Now, seventh question. A is given 2I cap 4j cap minus 5 cap k cap. The direction of cosines. Sorry. The direction of cosines of vector A. Very simple. Ax is equals to this cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma is Ax upon A, Ay upon A, and Az upon A. Your value of A. Vector A is given here 2I cap 4j cap minus 5k cap, where magnitude of it is 2 square 4 square plus minus 5 square. 2 square is 4, 16 plus 25, which is root 45. This 2 is Ax, 4 is Ay, 5 is Az. So your answer is Ax 2 upon root 45, cos beta 3 upon root 45, Az is minus 5 upon root 45. Okay, so A is your answer. Answer A. Okay, now eighth question. The vector that must be added to the vector I cap minus 3j cap plus 2k cap and 3 I cap plus 6 j cap minus 7 k cap so that the resultant vector is a unit vector along y-axis? Beautiful question. Say vector A is I cap minus 3 j cap plus 2 k cap. I'll write 1 minus 3 comma 2. Understood? Same way, vector B 3 I cap 6 j cap minus 7 k cap. I'll write 3 comma 6 comma minus 7. Okay. The resultant vector is the vector that must be added to these two vectors. So our next vector is C that we need to find, and vector A plus vector B plus vector C is given as a unit vector along y-axis, which is 0 comma 1 comma 0. Okay, along y-axis. Now what is A? You can write 1 comma no, sorry. First make subject of equation to C. C is equals to 0 comma 1 comma 0 minus vector A minus vector B. So 0 comma 1 comma 0 minus vector A 1 comma this 1 comma minus 3 comma 2 minus 3 comma 6 comma minus 7. You must remember this first minus first, x coordinate minus x coordinate. Okay, y coordinate minus y coordinate, and z coordinate minus z coordinate. So now I can write my answer is 0 minus 1 minus 3 comma 1 minus minus 3, 1 minus minus 3 minus 6 comma 0 minus 2 minus minus 7. Okay, so what is your answer? Minus 4. 1 minus minus 3, that is 1 plus 3. 4 minus 6 minus 2, and minus 2 plus 7, which is 5. So my answer is minus 4 I cap minus 2 j cap plus 5 k cap. Okay, B is your answer. Answer B. Okay, for which question? Eighth question. Just look at the solution. Eighth question. કંઈક વધારે પડતું જ કલરફુલ કરી દીધું છે, જોઈ લો તમે. Now ninth question, answer 9. Okay, how many minimum number of coplanar vectors having different magnitudes can be added to give zero resultant? See, minimum number of coplanar vectors having different magnitudes. अगर તમે બે વેક્ટર્સ લ્યો તો this vector say A, this vector is B, so this two must be, this A and B must be equal in magnitude and opposite in direction. Therefore A is equals to minus B. Okay, A is equals to what? Minus B. If A plus B is 0, so magnitude of these two, okay, that is same. A is equals to minus B, એટલે આ તો નહીં ચાલે. Okay, next વિચારીએ. Say this is vector A. Different magnitudes are needed. Different magnitudes. Vector A. Vector B. Okay. And vector C. ક્લોઝ ડાયાગ્રામ બને ને તો જ 0 થાય. તો આ શું થઈ ગયું? વેક્ટર A plus vector B plus vector C. On the head of A, tail of B is there. On the head of B, tail of C is there. So here you can say vector A plus vector B, vector A, vector A plus vector B plus vector C is 0. Okay, so this is your answer 3. Answer is B. Answer B. Which question? 9th question. Chalo, next. Okay, next question, question number 10th. See this, what is given? All is the dimension of 10 by 12 by 14 meter. A fly starting at one corner ends up at a diametrically opposite corner. What is the magnitude of its displacement? See this beautiful question. So this is you can say, yes, just a second. Okay, this is on all and these are the sides. Okay, and sides are of say 10, 12 and 14. So this is 10. Okay, 10 meter. This is 12. Meter. And so this one is 14 meter. These are the dimension of a hall. Now what is the magnitude of its displacement? The fly is moving diametrically and points this point and the other point is somewhere here. So let me join these two. Okay, if you say A, B, C, D, here E, F, G and H. Okay, so G and C are diametrically endpoints. A and E are diametrically endpoints. F and B are diametrically endpoints. H and D are diametrically endpoints. Suppose the fly is moving from G to C. This is the path of the fly. Or we are discussing about displacement, so which is quite relatable to final position minus initial position. Suppose, just for our understanding, suppose the fly is first moving from G to F. Okay, the path of the fly is G to F, then F to E, and then E to C. Suppose this is the path of the fly. In displacement, always remember that only final and initial position matters. Okay, path does not matter. So whatever path you select, you will get the displacement only. For this GFEH, you can say GFEH is a rectangle. Okay, GFEH is what? A rectangle. Here this angle must be 90 degree. This angle is 90 degree and this is the diagonal. GE is the diagonal. Length of GE is this length of GE, you can say under root 10 square plus 14 square. 10 square, what is 10 square? 100. And 14 square, 196. So the square root is 296. Okay, GE is 296. This angle is also 90. Angle between GE and EC is also 90. So the GC will be, you can say, hypotenuse for right angle triangle GEC. Again, GC square, this GC is equals to under root GE square plus EC square. GE square is 296 and EC square is 12 square. See, this root 296 square is 296, whole is in under root. You can write 296 plus 144. So GC, the final displacement, is this 0, then 14, and then 440. If you remember that 441, the answer is close to 20. The square root of 441 is 21, so your answer is close to 20 GC. Understood? Fine. Now, okay, next question, 11th. 100 coplanar forces, each equal to 10 Newton, act on a body. Each force makes angle of pi by 50 with the preceding force. What is the resultant force of the forces? See, 100 coplanar forces, each equal to 10 Newton at a point, at a body. Say this is a body. Okay. And how many forces are there? 100, each of 10 Newton. 360 degree, huh? Ten Newton, then 10 Newton, 10 Newton. Angle between two forces at this particular point, between any two forces, that is pi by 50. You can say theta. And how many forces are there? So 100. So 100 into pi by 50, you can say 2 pi it is, and basically 2 pi radian is 360 degree. So the visualization of this question, if you consider a point, then forces are acting like this. Not like this, but if you consider a point like an object, forces are acting like this. Okay, 100 forces, as I told you, 360 degree, making a circle. Okay, so net force on an object, net force on the object net force on the object is 0. Why so? Because your object is somewhere here. Okay, if this is your object, this object is situated over here. Understood? So net force on it is 0 because 360-degree net force is 0. Now next question, the magnitude of a given vector with endpoints must be, endpoints are 4 comma minus 4 comma 0 and 2 comma minus 2 comma 0. As I told you, the length, the displacement, suppose this point is A, this position is B, and they are somewhere here. Okay, consider this x-axis, y-axis. Okay, point A, point B, here is the z-axis. Understood? What is A? 4 comma minus 4 comma 0, 4 comma minus 4 comma 0, z coordinate is 0. This is 2 comma minus 2 comma 0. The length is this AB. Okay, first of all find vector AB, which is vector B minus A, and then length of AB means magnitude of vector AB, which is mode of B minus A. What is B minus A? 2 minus 2 0 minus 4 minus 4 0. 2 minus 4 is minus 2, minus 2 minus minus 4, that is plus 4. So 2 and 0 minus 0 is 0. Mode of this, just sorry, my mistake. Now I should write magnitude of this, mode of B minus A, that is equals to minus 2 square plus 2 square, basically 4 plus 4 root 8. Oh, the coordinates of vector B is not 2 comma minus 2 comma 0. The coordinates are minus 2 comma minus 2 comma 0. માઇનસ થોડી આગળ રહી ગઈ છે તો અહીંયા માઇનસ કરી દઈએ. કરેક્શન, minus 2 minus 4 is minus 6. This is minus 6, it was my mistake. Minus 2 minus 4 is minus 6. Now need to make corrections. Okay, again minus 2 minus 4 minus 6, minus 2 minus 4, that is minus 2 plus 4 2. So here minus 6 square, which is 36 plus 4 root 40. 4 into 10, root 40 can be written as 4 into 10. Square root of 4 is 2, root 10. What is your answer? Answer D. Answer D. Okay, done. Chalo, next question. the expression 1 comma root 2 I cap plus 1 comma root 2 j cap is dash vector, unit vector, null vector, magnitude of is root 2, scalar. Scalar તો obviously ન જ હોય. આપણે ચેક કરીએ 1 comma root 2 માટે. say vector A is 1 comma root 2, 1 comma root 2. Magnitude 1 comma root 2 whole square plus 1 comma root 2 whole square. That is root 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. Root 1 is 1. Magnitude of A is 1. Which kind of vector it is? Unit vector. Your answer is A. Question number 30. Okay, chalo next question. Question 40. Given A is equals to 2I cap plus 3J cap, the angle between A and Y axis. Very easy. Vector A is 2I cap, 3J cap. Magnitude of A is 2 square plus 3 square. 4 plus 9. Root 13. You need to find angle between A and Y axis. How to find this? Say cos alpha is AX upon A and cos beta is AY upon A. 3 upon root 13 cos beta. So your beta is cos inverse 3 upon root 13. Okay, now just draw a triangle for this. Draw a triangle for this. Right angle triangle. Sorry. Say this angle is beta. Okay, 3 root 13, and this angle is this side is 2. This side is what? 2. Now beta can be written as, for this 10 beta, 10 beta is 2 upon 3. 10 beta is what? 2 upon 3. Therefore beta is equals to 10 inverse 2 by 3. જોયું તમે અહીંયા B is your answer in this question. B, 10 inverse 2 by root 3. B is your answer. Okay, see this, the whole calculation together. B beta is equals to 10 inverse 2 by 3. Understood? Okay, fine. Next question. The unit vector along I cap plus J cap is, unit vector for unit vector is vector upon its magnitude. Vector upon its magnitude. So vector is I cap plus J cap, and this vector can be written as 1 comma 1. So magnitude is 1 square plus 1 square. N cap is the unit vector. I cap plus j cap upon root 2. Whole upon root 2. You write whole upon root 2. Now separated. 1 by root 2 I cap plus 1 by root 2 j cap. But this is your answer. 1 by root 2. 1 plus I cap plus j cap upon root 2. This is your answer. Okay. Which is answer C. Here. Answer C. Next question. Question number 16. A vector is represented by 3 I cap. Vector is represented by 3 I cap plus j cap plus 2k cap. Its length along xy plane is. Okay, this is little bit different question. Length along what? XY plane. Okay. Question number 16, 16. Very simple. Say vector R is 3 I cap plus j cap plus 2k cap in xy plane. This vector can be written as 3, 1, 2 R, and length along xy plane is not R, but I'll say X or A. Rx square plus ry square, 3 square plus 1 square, which is 9 plus 1 root 10. What is your answer? Oh, great. Answer C. Okay, C is your answer. For which question? Question number 16. This was for question 16. Next question. Question number 17. 5 equal forces of 10 Newton each are applied at one point and all are lying in one plane. If the angle between them are equal, the resultant force. See, whenever this angle between each force is same, you can say the answer is 0. ઓકે, આગળ પણ આવો એક ક્વેશ્ચન કર્યો, આન્સર ઇઝ 0. જો સમજાવી દઉં કઈ રીતે. સપોઝ 5 forces are there. So first you divide 360 upon 5. 5 sevens are 35. 72 degree force between each of them. So forces are like this. Suppose this is your object. Okay, forces are like this. Force 1. This is force 1. Then force 2. Then force 3. Force 5. Force 4. And force 5. Net force, this angle is 72 between each. 72 degree, 72 degree, 72, 72 and 72. Okay, it is generating a perfect circle. It is creating a perfect circle. Net force along this object, net force along this object is 0. Okay, so your answer is 0. આગળ પણ આવો એક ક્વેશ્ચન કર્યો. આજે 17th ક્વેશ્ચન છે, ક્વેશ્ચન નંબર 17th. એની જો આગળ પણ આપણે એક ક્વેશ્ચન કર્યો. હિયર યોર આન્સર ઇઝ એ. π/15 વાળો ક્વેશ્ચન જે આજે કર્યો ને એ જ. નેક્સ્ટ 18th. The angle made by the vector A is equals to I cap plus J cap with x-axis is. With the x-axis is 45 obviously. કેમ યાર? જુઓ તમે. Okay. X-axis, y-axis, and this is your vector. This point is 1 comma 1. Okay, this point is what? 1 comma 1, because I cap plus J cap. થોડું extend કરી દવા. આ point કયું થઈ જશે? આ point થશે 1 comma 0 on x-axis. આ point કયું થશે? 0 comma 1. That's why this point is 1 comma 1, I cap plus J cap. તો ઓબ્વિયસલી આ એંગલ જે છે થીટા બને, કયો બનશે? આ this theta is 45, this is also 45. બાકી કેમ કરવાનું? જ્યારે 2 ડાયમેન્શન હોય ત્યારે આમ કરી દેવાનું. tan theta say y by x. Your vector is xi cap yj cap, 1 I cap 1 J cap. So y by x is 1 upon 1. Tan theta is 1. Theta is 45 with x-axis. Okay. Here is your answer. अब बीजी method થઈ ગઈ. Another method. Sorry. Okay. Or method. ચલો નેક્સ્ટ કરીએ આપણે 19th. Any vector in arbitrary direction can always be replaced by 2 or 3. Okay. First option A જે છે 19th question, option A. Parallel vectors which have the original vector as the resultant. Mutually perpendicular vectors which have the original vectors as resultant. Possible જ નથી ને, mutually perpendicular હોય એનું resultant hypotenuse જે છે that should not same as this. Parallel vectors which have the original vector as the resultant, not possible. If these two are parallel, A plus B will be more than the that is equal to the resultant. Same A or same B नहीं થાય. Okay, C option क्या છે? Sorry, C और D कट થઈ ગયા છે. આ ક્વેશ્ચન આપણે કેન્સલ કરી દઈએ છે, નહીં થાય. 20th question. Angular momentum is an axial vector. કરાવ્યું છે મેં આ. Which of the following is a vector? Pressure, surface tension, moment of inertia, none of this. Okay, all of them. Oh no. None of this is your answer. All these are, you can say, tensor quantity or scalar quantity. So D, that is none of this. 22nd, P is equals to Q. Which of the following is not correct? As P is equals to Q, vector P is same as vector Q. Which of them is not correct? Unit vector of P is in direction of Q. A is correct. B is also correct. P Q cap plus Q P cap. Oh, I guess D is not correct, because vector P plus vector Q, that is not equal to the unit vector of there. This is what? Vector P plus vector Q. Obviously it's not equal to p cap plus q cap. P cap is unit vector in direction of p, q cap is unit vector in direction of q. Okay, definitely the directions are same but magnitudes are not same, so D is your not correct answer. Okay. 23rd, the position vector of a particle is r a cos omega t I cap plus a sin omega t j cap. The velocity of particle is, that is perpendicular to the position of the vector, because always remember you will get velocity by the differentiation of r. ઓકે, આ મેં તમને કરાવ્યું છે. જુઓ તમે 23rd ક્વેશ્ચન હું અહીંયા લખું છું. r is which vector? Position vector. આ યાદ રાખજો. Velocity is dr upon dt. થર્ડ ચેપ્ટર કરશું ત્યારે વધારે આઈડિયા આવી જશે તમને. તો જ્યારે પણ કોઈ ક્વોન્ટિટી ફર્સ્ટ ક્વોન્ટિટીના ડિફરન્સિએશનથી મળતી હોય તો તમને આન્સર હંમેશા આગળના વેક્ટરને પરપેન્ડિક્યુલર હોય. હિયર v is obtained, આગળ આવી જશે, ડોન્ટ વરી, નેક્સ્ટ ચેપ્ટર્સમાં આપણે કરી લઈશું. obtained by differentiation of r, vector r. Therefore v is perpendicular to r. Remember this. Okay, B is your answer. Answer B. Chalo, next question. Which of the following is a scalar quantity? Displacement is vector, electric field is also vector, acceleration is vector, work is scalar. D is your answer. 25th, if a unit vector is represented by 0.5 I cap, 0.8 j cap plus c k cap, then the value of c is. For unit vector, always remember, for unit vector, under root x square under root x square plus y square plus z square, that must be 1. Okay, here x is what? 0.5, that is I can write 1 by 2. 0.5 is 1 by 2. 0.8, 8 by 10. Okay, or you can write 4 by 5 whole square. No, keep this as it is, 0.5 square only. That will be a little bit easier for you, that's why I'm correcting. 0.5 square plus 0.8 square plus c square is equals to 1. Taking square both sides, 0.5 square, 0.8 square, c square is 1 square, 1 square is 1. 0.5 square is 0.25, 0.8 square is 0.64 plus c square is 1. Therefore c square is 1 minus 0.64 is 0.36, 0.36 minus 0.25 is 0.36 minus 0.25, 1 and 1. 0.11 is c square. Therefore c is equals to root 0.11. Okay, this is the answer. Fine. Next question, this is B, answer B in 11th. Next question. 26th, a boy walks uniformly along the sides of a rectangular park of side 400 and 300 meters, starting from one corner to another corner, diagonally opposite. Which of the following statement is correct? First of all, let me draw the park. Say this is a rectangular park. and the boy is moving from one end to other like this. Okay, and the dimensions are like 400 meter and this is 300 meter. This is 400 meter. Okay, now the diagonal is 500 meter. 3, 4, 5, etc. 500 meter. You can solve by the Pythagoras. A person is moving from A to B. 500 is its displacement because final minus initial is the displacement. So which one is incorrect? He has traveled distance of 700, correct? 400 plus 300 works uniformly along sides. Okay, તો person કઈ રીતે ગયો હશે જોઈ લો તમે. The path of the person is this 400 plus 300, 400 plus 300, that is distance, path length. Okay, 400 plus 300 is distance, 400 plus 300, 700. Displacement is fine. His displacement is 700 meter. Okay, B is wrong because its displacement, why B is wrong, its displacement is 700, that's why B is wrong. Remember this. Now next question, 27th. A unit vector parallel to the resultant of the vectors A and B is, so first of all I'll give you just a hint. A plus B, say this vector is C, and then find NC cap, which is vector C upon its magnitude. You will get the unit vector. Okay, please do it by yourself. 28. Surface area is definitely scalar. Okay, 28. Your answer is A. Surface area is a scalar quantity. With respect to a rectangular Cartesian coordinate system, 3 vectors are expressed like A, B and C. Then what is the question? Where I cap, j cap, we know that unit vectors along x, y and z direction. The unit vector r cap along the direction of sum of these vector is, first of all find r cap and then vector upon its magnitude. Which question it is? 29th. See this. Question number 29. R cap is sum of all this. 4, first is 4 minus 1 0 plus B. What is B? Minus 3 2 0, and third is 0 0 minus 1. The answer is 4 minus 3 1 1 minus 1. This is our vector. Okay, A થઈ ગયું, B and C. Sum of all three is this vector R. Now magnitude of R, 1 square plus 1 square plus minus 1 square, basically root 3, and unit vector n cap R is 1 comma 1 comma minus 1 upon root 3. Okay, this can be written as one is this 1 by root 3, one is I cap, other one is j cap, and minus 1 is for k cap. This is your answer. What is the answer? A. Okay, next question. The angle between the two vectors A and B, very simple. If you remember this, cos theta is A dot B upon AB, because A dot B is AB cos theta, so make subject of equation to cos theta, you will get A dot B upon AB. What will be your answer? A dot B. First of all, find A dot B separately. I write like this: 3, 4, 5. 3I cap plus 4J cap plus 5K cap can be written as 3, 4, 5. Dot again 3, 4, 5. And magnitude of A. These two are same vector. Angle between them is 0. चलो तो अपन करिए 3 square, 4 square, 5 square, which is 9 plus 16, 25 plus 25. I'll keep root 50 only. Same way B is also root 3 square plus 4 square plus 5 square. कयो question है 30. Question number 30. Also root this root 50. Make this sorry, अब बધી value substitute કરી. A dot B તો કરવાનું રહી ગયું. હા sorry, ચલો A dot B કરી દઈએ. અહીંયા કેમ આવું થયું ભાઈ? 3.3 9, 4.4 16, 5.5 25, total is 50. Now you just need to substitute these values. Okay, આ વેલ્યુ સબસ્ટિટ્યુટ કરવાની છે ખાલી cos theta માં. અહીંયા જ કરી દઈએ ને ડાયરેક્ટલી. આ કોની વેલ્યુ છે? તો this A dot B, A dot B આ વેલ્યુ, અને A and B, આ A આ B. Here 50 upon root 50 root 50. Okay, what is your answer for this? Here answer is 50 upon 50, which is 1. Cos theta is 1, therefore theta is 0 degree. Theta is 0 degree. What is your answer? Answer is B. Then next question 31. Question number 31. The position vector of a particle is determined by the expression of R this 3t square I cap, 4t square j cap plus 7k cap. And what you need to find? Distance in first 10 seconds. Distance in first 10 seconds that you need to find. So first of all you write like this: R, vector R is given 3t square I cap, 4t square j cap and plus 7k cap. Okay, first you write this at t is equals to 0. What is value of R1? R1 you can call it initial position. 0 I cap, 4 into 0 0 j cap, but 7 k cap. So R1 is 0 0 7. Okay, now R2. What is R2? R2 is at t is equals to 10, I guess. At t is equals to 10 second. This was at 0 second. R2, what is R2? 3 into 10 square I cap plus 4 into 10 square j cap plus 7 k cap. Value is 3 into 100, 300 I cap, 100 into 4, 400 j cap, and 7 k cap. So your answer is for R2. This is for R2. Now the displacement of delta R, or R2 minus R1, and I want to find the magnitude of it, which is mode of R2 minus R1. So first of all, mode of this, okay, 300 I cap, 400 j cap plus 7 k cap minus, this is only 7 k cap, and then open mode. So your answer is 300 I cap, 400 j cap. So delta R mode can be written as small r, समझी जसो तो मैं, can be written as under root 300 square 400 square delta R mode 500 meter. Okay, this is your answer of. શું છે આન્સર? એ બધામાં એ જ આવે જ કે શું? ઓકે, ડન. ચાલો, આન્સર ઇઝ એ. ચેક કરી લો તમે ક્વેશ્ચન નંબર 30. નેક્સ્ટ ક્વેશ્ચન જોઈએ. (32) Unit vector parallel to the resultant of A and B will be parallel to these two છે ને, કાંઈ વાંધો નહીં, કરી નાખીએ. ચલો, resultant of this A is 4 I cap minus 3 j cap. I write like this, 4 comma minus 3. B is 8 I cap plus 8 j cap, 8 comma 8. A plus B, first of all resultant of this, say C. 8 plus 4 12, 8 minus 3 5, mode of C, or only C, magnitude of C, 12 square plus 5 square, which is 144 plus 25 169 and root 30. What is NC cap? NC cap is vector C upon its magnitude. So 12 comma 5 upon root 13. Your answer is 12 I cap. Why root 13? Sorry, only 13. Root of 169 is 13. Okay, 12 I cap 5 j cap upon 13. Which one is your answer? B, Bombay. Answer B in question number 32. Next question, 33. The component of vector A is equals to 2 I cap plus 3 j cap along the vector I cap plus j cap is. Yes, one of my favorite question, A. 2i cap plus 3j cap along the vector this b, I cap plus j cap. Component of a towards b is vector a dot b upon mode of b. Okay, and this also should be written in magnitude, so your answer will be positive only. What is a dot b? A can be written as this. A can be written as 2 comma 3. This can be written as 1 comma 1. 2 comma 3 dot 1 comma 1 upon magnitude of b, that is under root x square plus y square, 1 square plus 1 square. So 2 into 1 2, 3 into 1 3, 2 plus 3 upon root 2. Your answer is 5 upon root 2. Okay, this is your answer. Answer A. Answer is A for question number 33. And last question of today. Okay, 34th. The angle between two vectors a and b. Okay, this you can find by this which method? As I know, a dot b is ab cos theta, therefore cos theta is a dot b upon ab. Okay, આગળ પણ આવો question કર્યો. Please do it by yourself. So this is Ankit Parekh signing off right now. Hope to see you soon. Stay home, stay safe. Bye.